So today we're planting up this bed, which is gonna have chayote, cassava, peppers, tree collards, which we've got planted from cuttings here and down there, and some sweet potato that's planted right there from the earlier video. So cassava is super easy to plant. You just pop it into the ground like this. And then with our peppers, we've got them a few sprouted into one pot. So we're gonna separate them as we plant them. A lot of this stuff could also be planted into pots in your backyard or on your patio or your porch. It's nice to plant all this stuff together because you get to utilize all the different levels. You're going to utilize with the sweet potatoes the low growing space. With the tree collards, you'll be utilizing this general space. With the peppers, you'll also be using the mid-growth space. But then with the cassava, it'll get nice and tall. Nice. Thanks for watching, and I hope your garden's going well so far.